What's the meaning of awesomely? Awesomely. Awesomely.
Awesomely. Awesomely. The word awesomely is an adverb that is used to describe something in an impressive or awe-inspiring way. It suggests that whatever is being described is exceptional, remarkable, or extraordinary. When we use awesomely to describe an event, situation, or person, it implies that the experience was truly amazing and left a lasting impression. Things that are awesomely beautiful, powerful, or inspiring can leave us feeling awestruck and overwhelmed in the best possible way. Overall, the word awesomely conveys a sense of wonder and admiration for the subject being discussed.